Now you can see this person here from Nigeria, Bruno. He charges an average of $20 per hour, and he has made over $20,000 from this platform, and he has worked a total of 1,945 hours. Now you can do the math for yourself. 1,945 hours that he has actually worked on this platform, and he has made over $20,000. Now you can go down, you are going to see someone else like Mohammed from France. So he's charging $70 per hour, and he has made a total of $10,000 from this platform, and he has worked a total of just 314 hours. You see? So however, I tell you that a simple copy and paste can actually make you money on the internet, and you can actually take advantage of this as well. And the best part is that you actually don't need any prior skill or experience to do this. All you basically need to do is simply be able to copy and paste work. So guys, now here is a list of the jobs we have to do in order for us to actually make money by just copying and pasting. So the first one on our list is simply we can become AI blog post writers. So what this basically means is that there are so many bloggers out there that no longer have time to write blog posts. So basically they pay people to use AIs to help them generate this blog post. Like basically there was a point whereby I wanted to write some blog posts back then when I was still running my blogs 24/7. I basically paid people to use AIs to write the content. The reason is that letting them use AI to write it will be faster and cheaper as well. So basically I was also outsourcing this sort of services, and you too can also be one of those people that also get these jobs. Now don't worry, I'll show you the platform to meet people faster. Next up is simply you can use AI to write social media content and then get paid for it. Next up, use AI voiceover. So we've been talking about ElevenLabs, PlayHT, and so many AI voiceover generators out there. Now there are people that are paying you to actually convert text to voiceover using free AI tools within. And the best part is that they are offering you about $30 to $50 per hour of work, and some of them are willing to offer you up to 50 hours of weekly work. Now you can do the math yourself. Now next is simply AI video script writer. Like there are so many people out there that have YouTube channel, but then they can't write the video script themselves. So basically what they do is that they pay people to write a video script. Now you can also take advantage of this by using AI to write the video script. And finally, simply AI powered graphic design. Now for the AI powered graphic design, it might not be fully easy, but then you still have 4 more options on the list to actually make money. So now guys, now that you know the services we are going to offer to make money, now let's look at the platforms we are actually going to offer these services to actually make this money. So hello guys, the first platform here is basically Upwork. Now Upwork is one of the best freelancing websites out there, as we already know. They've been in the industry for a very long time, and they are well known for their honesty and transparency when it comes to working with them and how safe your money is on this platform. Now the next is basically Fiverr. Fiverr is the OG of freelancing, as we already know. There's no freelancer who is not on Fiverr. So now guys, for us to actually get started and start making money with this method, after knowing the services we have to offer, now we need to talk about the platforms as well. And the platforms are the ones that I just showed you right now, being Upwork and Fiverr. Now there are so many more platforms. The best thing you can do for yourself using this method is basically sign up to as many of these platforms as possible. Now the reason why I'm only giving you 2 in this video, because I've already made a video listing 5 other ones except this particular 2. So the video is right at the top there. The reason why I need to sign up to a lot of platforms to do this is basically because so that you will be assured that in a week you should get at least 5 to 6 jobs every single week. You should be able to get at least 5 to 6 jobs. And the best part is that some people might decide to employ you full time, which means that you are assured that you already have a work to do every single week. And following this method, people even make over that $500 that I told you a month. Some do it in a week, because you can get some high paying jobs if you decide to put in the time needed. So guys, when it comes to looking for these jobs on this platform, let's start with Fiverr as an example. Let's start with Upwork as an example. So what you basically do is simply come over to Upwork like this. Now once you come over to Upwork, you come over to where it says find work. Now you come over to say find work for your skills. Now you click on here. Now basically, before we get started to finding the work, let me show you a typical proof that people are actually doing this and making a lot of money off it. So let me just say AI. Let me just go for the word AI content. Now you can see this person here from Nigeria, Bruno. He charges an average of $20 per hour, and he has made over $20,000 from this platform, and he has worked a total of 1,945 hours. Now you can do the math for yourself. 1,945 hours that he has actually worked on this platform, and he has made over $20,000. Now you can go down, you are going to see someone else like Mohammed from France. So he's charging $70 per hour, and he has made a total of $10,000 from this platform, and he has worked a total of just 314 hours. You see, some work more hours, earn less, some work less hours and earn more. Now the problem here is, how can you also find the jobs and get to have this sort of figures? Well, let me show you that. For this, all you basically need to do is simply over here where you typed in this AI content, I just want you to switch it over to jobs. Now once you switch over to job, now basically put in here now type in here, for example, AI blog post. Now you can see this person here, estimated budget $20. We have a travel content site. We need to recreate this and arrows for the following travel destination. This is a live data and it's primarily a content creation rule. AI is allowed, but all image links, meaning that you can use AI to write this particular content they need from you here. Now let's look further again. Now this person said no AI. Now once the person said no AI, meaning that what AI is not accepted. Now you can basically keep going, and then you are going to see so many other works that you can actually do with AI. Now let's take a look at another scenario here. Now we also have what video script writing. Now let me just also search for that here. Let me just say video scripts. Now when it comes to writing video scripts, it doesn't matter if you use AI or not. So this one, people don't really care what you do. All they basically want is how they need their video script written. Now if we come over here as well, now you can see this person here is offering you $50. Now each price here is based on hourly terms. So this one says experienced writer for geopolitics and international relations. Estimated budget $50. Now let's take a look at this one here. It's offering script writer for YouTube. Hourly range is between $15 to $50. Now this one is say every niche with cars or pop culture looking for an experienced writer. So this one is talking about cars and pop culture. So you can just click on it like this, and then you are going to see every single thing here. Now most of these channels are going to give you a typical example of the sort of videos they need. So for example, let me just pick any one of them right here. Now let me click on this particular one here. Now you can see this one here. Now before you apply to any job, make sure that you read the information carefully first. Now this one said, you can see they say please share these videos examples before applying. Now they are giving you examples of the videos you need to watch before you should actually apply, because so that you know the kind of scripts they are going to request from you. So I always advise that as long as the person provides any example for you, make sure you go through that example before you start doing anything. So now they say we are seeking for a skilled script writer. Now basically they say the videos will be a maximum of 2 minutes and similar to the ones are attached to the link, meaning that what just 2-minute video script, it won't even be that long. It will take ChatGPT a snap of finger like this to actually generate it for you. So for example, let's take a look. Say more than 30 hours a week, meaning you are going to work over 30 hours a week, and they are offering you an hourly base of $20 to $30 per hour. Now let's do the math. Let me say let's fall in between $20 and $30. That will be about $25. So let me just do the math here. So if we say we should do it 25 times 30, that is $750, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, $750 every single week just for this particular person. And then you still have a lot of time to go work with other people. And this person is telling you that what they need you for 6 months or more, meaning that after 6 months they can decide to renew their contract or more, because they are offering you a contract and nothing else, because they want you to work for 6 months with them, and that 6 months you'll be working an average of 30 hours per week. And for these hours they'll be offering you a pay of $20 to $30. So you can basically look at it there. So you can see here they say contract to hire. So basically once you see that what you fit into any of these ones that has been offered to you here, you don't even need the experience to fit into it. Forget the files that they say experience level, intermediate, and so needed. Most of them will be intermediate. Basically you don't need any experience in those industries. All you basically need is simply ChatGPT to get the job done. So for example, let me say you find the job attractive and you want to apply. If you don't have an account on Upwork yet, you can just click over here and say sign up, and you are basically good to go. So guys, this is how you get to find AI jobs when you come over to platform like Upwork. Now let's take a look at the platform like Fiverr. Now, if you're on Fiverr, it's different. You don't have to search over here. All you need to do is simply on their homepage, click on it says AI services. Now, this one will just take you over here, and you are going to see so many AI services over here on this platform. Now, over here, once you come here, you basically have to pick any of these categories. Look for the category you fall into, and then pick any of them. So, for example, let me say AI content editing. Let me click on that particular one, and you can see they say I will rewrite your AI generated text, copywriting content. This person is charging $100. This one say I will wow you with my AI content editing. So basically, this one is simply people generate this content with AI, and then you edit it, remove the errors, and then fixing some, because AI is when they generate content, at times they don't get a fact right. So basically, what you do is simply just proofread it and then rework on it. So this one is charging $30, and then so forth and so on. So let me just go back to the AI services page, and let's take a look at other ones here. Let's say text to speech. Now with text to speech here, this one is not a heavy work, so people are charging $5, $15 and more. So basically, you are also down to your own price, so you can set your own price that you can start charging for this. So basically, I can't go over every single feed out there. All you basically need to do is simply come over to this website, look at the jobs that are available, and then you pick any of them and get it done. Now guys, now we've talked about how you can actually get these services, how you can get to find these jobs, how you can apply for these jobs. Now let's talk about how exactly you can start getting these jobs done, because remember we said we are going to copy and paste. Now let me show you the final tools that we can actually use to get these jobs done and make money, other than just using ChatGPT, because ChatGPT might get all of them, but not all of them that well. So let's get over to that chapter. So guys, let me say you have a job offer to generate AI videos, to generate a video script, or so maybe the person wants to write a YouTube video script. Now all you basically need to do is simply, you don't have to stress yourself. Come over to free AI video maker like this. On CapCut here, they have what they call a free AI video maker. So this is basically the CapCut AI. Now once you come over to it, there will be a tab that I will show with you right now. So now what you basically need to do is simply, once you click on free AI video maker, it will bring you over to this section here. Now once you basically come over here, click on where it says script. Now here basically enter the topic, because the person is going to give you the topic that they need a video about. Now once they give you the topic, enter the topic here. Now here's the thing, in order for you to get this script almost as perfect as the person would expect, to make sure that what you get a job, you basically go over to YouTube and then look for a video that talks about the same topic, because you are definitely going to find a video that is talking about the same topic. Now you basically go over and find that video, or go on any browser you are using, search for a blog post that talks about that same topic. Now you copy that link, paste the link here, either the YouTube video link or the blog post. Now I will recommend YouTube video for more accuracy. Now you basically copy that video link, paste it into this section here. Now what this AI is going to do is that what? It will look at the title, or the title you give, which is the topic you've provided, and then look at the video that you're giving, and then it's going to make sure that what? It generates this video as perfect as you wish, because once you get that ready, remember that the AI is already learning from already existing videos, so this one will help them give you a more detailed video. And on the other hand as well, you can also use ChatGPT for your video script. Like for example, if you want to use ChatGPT for your YouTube video script as well, you basically have to go with this prompt here. I need a full and well detailed YouTube video script on. So over here I just give you the top 10 best health benefits of eating early. So it will just, I don't know how they come up with this topic, but I just pick it up and then use it for it. So you can see it basically writes the full YouTube video script, giving you the voiceover, the call to action, every single thing you need to get a video to work. Now you can also use CapCut as well. Now on the other hand, if the person gives you maybe a blog post job, you can use ChatGPT. That's simple. And if it's to write blog posts, use ChatGPT. Simple and straightforward. Now if it's a project whereby you have to use AI, you have to generate AI voiceover, then you can go with ElevenLabs. It's 100% free as well. So guys, this is basically how you can make money with copy and paste. You get the job, you bring it to AI gets it done, you copy what the AI has given to you, and then you paste it to the person. That's simple and straightforward. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.